Hello everyone. So today I'm here in front of you to present my speech about how water, pH, buffers influence agricultural practices. We celebrate farmers. We admire innovative agricultural technologies. But what about the ancient forces working tirelessly beneath the soil surface? I'm talking about the fundamental chemistry that underpins all of agriculture: water, pH, and buffers. These three elements, often overlooked, play a critical role in determining whether a crop thrives or withers. Today, I want to explore how understanding these factors can revolutionize our agricultural practice and ensure a more sustainable and food secure future. Let's start with water. Water is the lifeblood of agriculture, but it's not about having enough water. It's about having the right kind of water. Water quality, influenced by its pH, is crucial. pH, as we all learned in high school, is a measure of acidity or alkalinity. A pH of 7 is neutral. Anything below is acidic, and above is alkaline. Plants like us have a preferred pH range for optimal growth. Most crops thrive in slightly acidic to neutral conditions. If the water used for irrigation is too acidic or alkaline, the plants struggle to absorb essential nutrients even if those nutrients are present in the soil. Imagine trying to eat a healthy meal while having a stomach ache. You might have the food, but your body can properly utilize it. The same applies to plants and pH. Now, consider a farmer irrigating their crops with water has a high pH. The soil pH will gradually increase, making vital nutrients like phosphorus and iron less available to the plants. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, stunted growth, and ultimately lower yields. Conversely, high acidic water can also be detrimental, damaging roots and hindering nutrient uptake. So, how do we manage this? This is where buffers come in. Buffers are substances that resist changes in pH. They act like a sponge, absorbing excess acidity or alkalinity, thus maintaining stable pH environment. In agriculture, understanding the soil buffering capacity is essential. A soil with good buffering capacity can withstand changes in pH caused by irrigation water, fertilizers, or even natural processes like rainfall. This stability ensures that nutrients remain available to plants, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yields. Imagine two gardens. One garden has soil with a low buffering capacity and other has soil with a high buffering capacity. If both gardens are exposed to slightly acidic rain, to the garden with low buffering capacity will experience a significant drop in soil pH, potentially harming the plants. The garden with high buffering capacity, however, will resist this change, maintaining a stable pH and protecting the plants. In real-world examples, buffered fertilizer can be particularly beneficial for high-value crops that are sensitive to pH fluctuation, such as fruits, vegetables, and flowers. The use of buffered fertilizer can be integrated with precision agriculture techniques, where farmers use data and technology to optimize fertilizer application based on specific conditions and crop needs. Buffered fertilizer contribute to sustainable agriculture practices by improving nutrient use efficiency, reducing fertilizer waste, and minimizing environmental impact. So, what does all this mean for the future of agriculture? By understanding the interplay of water, pH, and buffers, we can empower farmers with the knowledge and tools they need to optimize their practices. Testing soil pH and buffering capacity should become a routine part of agricultural management. We can explore the use of natural and synthetic buffers to improve soil health and resilience. We can educate farmers about the importance of water quality and encourage the adoptions of sustainable irrigation practices. Ultimately, we can unlock a world of potential in agriculture. We can create more sustainable food system capable of feeding and growing population while protecting our planet. It's not just about growing crops, it's about cultivating a deeper understanding to sustain life.